Shilpa Vedika, and there is this event called Melange or Melange, I'm not sure of. It's an Indo-Korea cultural show, and it's gonna feature some K-pop performance, Telangana art performance, Korean dishes. I hope it's exciting, and I'm most excited about the Korean dishes.
Favorite. Everybody loves you so much. Now you have to, make sure that you are perfect at this tongue twister. This is going to be an English tongue twister. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller.
Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller. Upper roller, lower roller.
뚱깨자미.
Ramesh Babu.
Ramesh Babu.
Hello there. What's your name?
Liam.
Nice to meet you. What's that?
Lisa, Jisoo, Jenny, and Rose.
That's the right answer. Congratulations.
Namaskaram. Nelu Luchen. Namaskaram. Naperu.
They're telling us their fan chant. That's what I heard from my sister.
First, thank you so much for coming here, and thank you so much for inviting us, Luchen, here, K-pop contest 2017 India. We're feeling very honored to stand this stage.
정말 잘하시고 K-팝을 사랑하는 열기가 저희 루첸트한테도 많이 와닿아서 정말 기분이 좋습니다. 이렇게 계속 K-팝 많이 사랑해주시고 저희 루첸트도 I love India.
Pictures with Lucent Amiga. Everyone is standing in queue here. It's almost our turn. The guys are on the stage and everyone is waiting here. Our turn.
하나,
둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋. 네. 오케이. 저 헐크 아저씨들 찍고 싶어요.
아니 이제